Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will tell you how to get the administrator as well as user information in Windows operating system. So for this information you have to click on start button. After that you have to write the command prompt. You get the option command prompt. You have to right click on this option and click on run as administrator and you get the command prompt. To know the information about administrator and user of this system, you have to write the command net user and enter. You get the information about the number of user and administrator. If you want to know the more information about the administrator, you have to write the command net user add ministrator and you have to click on enter. So already you get the more information about the administrator. If video is useful, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.